Good day everyone. Today we will discuss what is emerging technologies and what is the impact of these technologies on our industries, economies, and our daily life. When we say emerging technologies, it is the technologies that are currently developing or will be developed over the next few years. One of example of emerging technologies is a 5G networks, which is provide up to 20 gigabits per second, the lower latency of less than 1 millisecond with a high capacity and reliability. So how does 5G technology work? 5G technology makes the whole network more advanced. 5G New Radio is the global standard for 5G wireless network air interface coming 4G and use spectrum and more powerful. The new antenna can be integrate large-scale MIMO technology so that multiple transmitters and receivers can transmit more data at the same time. However, 5G technology is not limited to the new radio spectrum. The design of this technology combines authorized and unauthorized wireless technology to support converged heterogeneous networks. This will increase the bandwidth available to users. 5G architecture will be a software-defined platform and network functions will be managed through software rather than hardware. Virtualization, cloud technology, and business process automation, all of these advanced developments give 5G architecture flexibility and can be accessed by the users anytime and anywhere. 5G networks can be established as software-defined network structures which is called the network slicing. Through this slicing, technology network administrators can specify network functions according to users and devices. 5G can also improve the digital experience through learning automation. So until recently, access to the internet was limited via devices like the desktop, tablet, or smartphones. But now, with the Internet of Things, aka IoT, practically all appliances can be connected to the internet and monitored remotely. IoT or Internet of Things, it is a system of interconnected devices that transfer and exchange data over a wireless network without any human intervention. The things in Internet of Things could be the AC, doorbell, thermostats, smoke detectors, water heaters, security alarms, and many more. IoT devices are connected to the network with the help of gateways. These gateways or processing nodes process the information, collect from the sensors, and transfer it to the cloud, which acts as the both of the storage and processing unit. All actions performed at the collected data are used for further learning and inferences. With the improved response monitoring and analytical capabilities, IoT adapted in almost all industries and domains, opening doors to countless applications. Manufacturing, transportation and logistics, retail, public sector, healthcare, and many more are readily deploying IoT. With such a wide spectrum of application, the future of IoT looks more promising than ever before. The integration of IoT with other technologies like cloud computing, machine learning, and artificial so the benefits of IoT or Internet of Things is the smart cities, smart homes, and industrial automation. So how does a 5G enhances IoT? 5G enhances IoT by using the faster data transfer for real-time applications and supports a larger number of interconnected devices. So 5G and IoT are revolutionizing how we connect and interact with the world. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening.